You too cool for that lawnmower. Some of you cats are just too cool for your own good, man. You need to stop being so cool, and you'll really be cool.
What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Rico So Funny, back with another vlog, man. Today we working, but this is a different kind of work because we got the lawnmower, the blower, and the edger right here, man. And I got a lot of grass to cut, and I got my pops right here, and he gonna.
Hello, how everybody doing out there? I'm gonna try to show these young cats how to really take care of lawn around here. You know, maybe they can learn a few things.
Yeah, like I
can too.
I had, you know, the Mexicans they was coming to cut it, but you know, I'm gonna let my pops do it because he the expertise at it. So why not let pops do it? You feel me? But yeah, man, make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe, man.
Right, and it's good if anybody that need to be in this type of line of work to make sure you got all of the tools and everything you need. What you don't know how to do, you can Google it or get with somebody that knows about it.
For sure. Y'all see Pops acting like he know what he doing. I guess he know what he doing a little bit. I'm gonna see how the lines look in the grass when he done, you know what I'm saying? That's how you know somebody know how to cut grass, when you see the little lines from the wheels in the grass. I think Pops got it though. He used to do this a long time ago when I was a shorty. When I was a kid, he had a truck, lawnmowers, he had blowers, he had customers on like every block. So why not have Pops do it? He the expertise. He edged the grass up already. Look at that. He already got the look at the lines, G. You feel me? What's good, bro? Look at the lines. Look at these lines. Look at that, all the way down to the alley. It look like cake. He out here cutting cake, man. You can't beat it. Just hire Pops to do it. Shout out to my amigo now. But he took over and he got a way smaller lawnmower. Y'all riding on shit and everything, man. Y'all got the cheat code, that's what it is. Y'all be cheating. Stop cheating. Get out here, push the lawnmower. So I ain't gonna lie. As you can see, he got them lines in there. That's all that matters. See how the grass got waves? See, I got a couple waves. You know, my hang brush right now, but you see how the grass got waves. You know what I'm saying? It ain't no 360, it's like a 180, but the grass got waves in it. You know what I'm saying? It look like water, but it's green. But yeah, he got the lines in there better than Migo now. Migo now had 3 lines in the grass, man. He got 9 lines in there, man. I love Pops, man. He got a lot more to go. Yeah, I'm gonna fix this patch right here. I know y'all keep looking at the patch. It was like that when I got here though, you know what I'm saying? It used to be a big tree right here. It got cut down. So motherfucker threw some seeds down and broke up the dirt a little bit. Gotta water it, but it'll be in there. I ain't gonna lie, it'll be in there. It was a patch down there, I fixed it though. So I'm gonna fix this one, it's gonna be decent. And the patch right here by this tree, by this bush. You know, I got seeds right there too, it's just the birds be eating them. So you gotta overseed, you gotta throw extra seeds down, but it's cool. goggles because, you know, something flew in my eye last time. Now I think I got it. Yeah, you know, I did a little edge, you know, little corner pocket, little L shape. I don't know what y'all think of. Right there, I put a little ball spot right there, but it's cool though. You know what I'm saying? Ain't nothing wrong with a little ball spot. I got one, you know? Little line up. Something slight, not nothing too much. I gotta load this back up. I don't know nothing. I don't know nothing about this right here. Hey. What the fuck is it?
Too low, so it's gonna stay healthy.
Gotta load the joint back up. We gotta stick. Stick that in there. Halfway. Yeah.
You catch you say that shit all the time. Yeah, man, and they
Yeah,
grass
there we
cutting.
go.
You hear me? The grass cutting and the grass, you know, man, I ain't gonna be getting dirty. Man, at the end of the day, when everybody sipping and smoking on a little something now, oh man, no, your ass didn't want to push that lawnmower, did you? You too cool for that lawnmower. Some of you cats are just too cool for your own good, man. You need to stop being so cool, and you'll really be cool. I know that might have missed some of y'all, but that's, you know, when you get my age, you get to figure things out. It's cool to not be cool. You know what I'm saying? I wish I learned that shit 30 years ago. I'm 59.
You gotta push it in. All right, once it, you gotta push it in, then you gotta twist. Yeah, then you gotta lock it. Then if I want to feed some, if I want to press. Okay. Okay. Yeah. I feel like somebody. Alright. Feel like I can do something. I just want to cut something now. You feel? I really got to finish blowing the grass. Go that so y'all can see the paint. You know what I'm saying? I got to clean the lines out. You know what I'm saying? So. It's lines there. We gotta keep the line. Long top.
You just step towards him. Stay in the line and step towards. It's like drawing. You know how to draw. It's just like drawing. You know what I'm saying? Stay inside the line. That's all you need to know. That's just easy. Everybody can't do that though. I remember what's his name was trying to do that. The dude was teaching him how to do it. He fucked their ass up. You hear me? He was all in there, you know, trying to do that shit. I'm like, dude, that ain't how you do that shit. And the Mexicans and Polak, the people who taught me. I ain't got no certificate of this shit, but I could do it. I could show you how to do it. I had to go take a test. I aced that bitch because I know everything already. They taught me hands on. I know how to skim coat and everything. Like houses like this.
Dead now.
Yeah, yeah. Woo, I was touching the coat.
Yeah. Put this joint like right here.
These are the time you're supposed to warn it anyway when the sun's going down. You hear me? Don't never try to water that shit by the sun up. It go 11, 12 o'clock in the afternoon. Always after 3 and 4. You know what I'm saying? Like you can't, you see, like at this height, you ain't cutting the nutrients out. You're not cutting out the strength of the grass at this height. So the sun can't do nothing to it. It's like the, you know, like our skin. Our skin protects us from the sun. Same thing with the grass. That green coating on it protects it from the sun. But it's got to be high enough to stay green. It stay green, it stay healthy. It's gonna be all right now though. You keep cutting it at that height. You watch what I'm talking about. When we keep coming out here cutting that one, you look like that.
I just gotta get a thing for the bushes. I want my bushes to look like theirs across the street over there.
Like theirs, let me see. You know I do that too.
See, I just got a better thing. See how theirs up against that house over there?
Oh, you smell like flat?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Look.
Right.
I want it to be like that, but I want it to get small at the bottom where you see the branches.
The branches and all. Yeah, them at the bottom to be cut out.
Yeah.
But the top can be shaped. Yeah, I know how to do that. You get the thing, I do that too. I couldn't fuck with the grass without learning how to do that. That's the shit that people be wanting out their alleys, by their garage and shit. I used to knock on people's doors and ask them, hey man, you want that shit by your garage now? Look how many houses got that shit by it. You know what I'm saying? That all depends on the people tell you that they want you to do it though when you knock on their door.
All right, YouTube, man, we finna wrap it up. Pops, he got the grass looking real good, you know. It was a lot of work, you know what I'm saying? I'm sweating.
Yeah,
I ain't even do nothing though, you know what I'm saying? I just blew the grass with the blower and touched the little edge. You know, he the one that did all the hard work.
Take a little effort, but you know, if you keep moving, you can get it done.
For sure.
It ain't about how fast you do it, it's about how correct you do it.
Yeah.
No matter what it is. Some stuff is timed, and if you fast enough, then you, by all means, you go do that. But when you want something done right, it shouldn't be in a hurry.
For sure. Make sure y'all take that heed, what he said. That's Pop. Stop playing with him, boy, before I smack. Never mind. But that's our landscaping tutorial. He gave you a landscaping tutorial, to be honest. I'm actually gonna go into business with Pop. We're gonna start a landscaping business. Yeah. So make sure y'all get ready to hit him up, man. We're gonna be worldwide and all that. We doing it all the way big. We ain't even gonna play. We ain't just staying in Chicago.
We make every major neighborhood look good.
Yeah, for sure. I appreciate y'all tuning in, man. It's a wrap. Deuces. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe, man. Appreciate y'all tuning in. More vlogs.
Love y'all. Stay safe.
More content. All that stuff on the way, man. Deuces. What's up, YouTube? Nah, that's an opening. We can keep rolling. Okay, YouTube. All right, hold on.